Alzheimer's is the 6th leading cause of death in the U.S., and the rates of people dying continue to grow. SNN's Samantha Sonner has more.
In the last 15 years, deaths from Alzheimer's rose 55%, according to the CDC. Clinical Director of the Roskamp Clinic, Dr. Andrew Keegan, says many factors could contribute to the drastic increase.
It's hard to say what the reason of the rise in number, because people are more aware of it, so people are actually putting that down on the death certificate. Is there the rising baby boomers that are coming through? So I think those are some of the features that also come into play in counting that number.
Dr. Keegan says these rising rates could draw more attention to the disease.
People coming and talking about it raises awareness, so that statistic being published raises awareness. So again, hopefully people will come in, get free memory screening, come in, mention it to their doctor earlier.
Dr. Keegan says the earlier people get tested for Alzheimer's, the more treatment options are available.
There haven't been a new medication in 15 years. We're looking at treatments that the goal is to come up with preventative treatment. So the more people are aware and thinking about this disease, maybe there'll be more likely we can come in there and intervene at a much earlier time period.
These rising rates could also have a large effect on caregivers.
It's more likely that the caregiver that can become ill rather than the person with Alzheimer's, because the caregiver is the one that's stressed about monitoring them, taking them to doctor's appointments. If they're getting into something or agitated, they're having to tend to that.
And the earlier patients are diagnosed, the earlier family can get help for caregivers.
We know that when people are in seeing a physician earlier for treatment, they're plugging in with the local community services, and that can be more helpful for a patient and their family, to get more support.
Reporting in Sarasota, I'm Samantha Sonner, SNN, the Suncoast News Network.
And family members looking for support can find information on resources for caregivers by visiting our website, sntv.com.